Welcome to Smartwatch Specs.
Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with the Infinix XWatch H5 Pro and the Lenovo Watch Fit. On the second video, we are going to focus on the comparison of its menus and features. So if you are interested to see the difference between the menus and features of the Infinix XWatch H5 Pro compared with the Lenovo Watch Fit, watch this video. And again, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's begin and compare the two smartwatches. Again, this video will focus on the menus and features. Again, for the design, before we proceed with the menus and features, then for the UI, notifications, setting and options. For the settings and options for our Lenovo Watch Fit, it is here on this side button. On the bottom part, there's nothing. For our Infinix, we have the settings. And as you can see here, we have the one-page option or one-page dashboard for different options and settings. For our Lenovo Watch Fit, we have the split screen. On the right side, we have the widgets. To access the main menu, just press the power button. Okay, so let's have a comparison. So for the workout, we have the workout here. Let's see, we have the sports record. We have the sports here. Both do have a good list of sports functions. So different categories here for our sports functions. Going back, we have the workout record. Where's our workout record? Yes, we have it here. We have the daily activity tracking. Let's see. Okay, the phone, I think it's here. Okay, so this is our daily activity tracking. Then we have the sleep monitoring. We have our heart rate. Let's see, where's our heart rate? We have it here. We have a blood oxygen. Going back. What else do we have? We have a pressure here. We don't have it here. We have the music control. And again, you also have here a one-tap measurement for our Infinix. This is for the health. We don't have it here. In our Lenovo Watch Fit. We have breathing guide. Seems like we don't have it here. But we also have here the push notification and the Bluetooth call. Where's our Bluetooth call? Blood oxygen, sleep, sport, and we have it here. Okay, the Bluetooth call. Then weather report, we have AI voice camera. We have the wallet here for PayPal. We don't have it here on our Infinix XWatch. We have music control, AI voice timer, and we have a calculator. Yes, we have a calculator here. Do we have a calendar? We don't have, but we have a calendar here. I'm looking for our calendar. I don't see it here. Okay, we don't have a calendar. Then what else? Find phone. We have the app center, only one app. We don't have it here on our Infinix XWatch. We have a flashlight. Yes, we have a flashlight here. And an e-card also. So where's our e-card? We have a calculator, alarm. We have here the business card. Again, for the business card, it's here. Yes. Okay. Then for the settings, so this is the settings here. Okay, we don't have option for notifications. We have it here. Okay, I like this option for our Lenovo Watch Fit. We don't have it here. Do not disturb mode, menu options, brightness. They almost have the same settings here on our, or the same options in our settings. What I like about the Lenovo here is that we do have an option to change time here without connecting to the phone. And we have a lot of options. More options for the settings for the Lenovo Watch Fit compared to our Infinix XWatch 5. Okay. But here on the main menu, there are more features available on the Infinix XWatch H5 Pro compared to the Lenovo Watch Fit. And for the support app, I like the support app here of our Infinix XWatch H5 Pro. Plus, it works with all of the apps when we try to have a demo for the push notifications. And for the Bluetooth call, there's a quick reply option. Okay, so that's it for our comparison review of the menus and features for the H5 Pro, comparing it with our Lenovo Watch Fit. Again, if you have any questions regarding the comparison, drop a comment below. Support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Bye!